Okay, here we are in Chapter 7, the mid-level. Step 11 tells us to create an advanced filter using our database list and the criteria range. Now the trick is you have to have Step 10 done, because Step 10 tells you the criteria that you have to have in place to apply the advanced filter. So let's go ahead. I did a little bit of work already. I copied row 14 and I pasted it in row 7. Now I'm ready to go ahead and type in the criteria as it tells me in the instructions. So you should have your instructions off to the side so that you can enter the criteria as it shows you in Step 10. So we're looking for any limited edition canvases where the release date is after the first of the year in 2000, but before the end of the year, 31st in 2003. And then we only want to find the sold out ones. So that's true for limited edition canvases, and limited edition prints is the other one that it tells you in the instructions. All of the other criteria remain the same. Oops, I had to get my mouse out of the way. That's 2000, and this is the end of the year, December 31st, 2003. And then again, only the sold out ones. Now that I have the criteria in place, and I can go ahead and click within my database of records and apply that advanced filter. I'm under the data tab. I'm going to click the advanced filter command. The list range is my database, so that it's correct. It should say A14 through J178. It recognized that because I had my mouse active in that list. My criteria is also correct. It's A7 through J9. And then just a quick reminder that anything that appears on the same row will be seen as an AND. Anything that appears on alternate rows is seen as an OR. It tells us to filter the list in place. The instructions tell us to leave it as filter in place. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Oh, that did not work at all. What did I... Do I have an extra space at the end? Nope. Did I spell it right? Limited edition, January 1st, 2000, 31st, limited edition. I've got some. So can you see in my database down below, I did something wrong because I have no records returned to me. So I have to just discover what I did wrong. Sometimes, people accidentally, I thought maybe I added an extra space in here somewhere. I don't see that happening. It's the 1/1/2000 limited. I don't see a typo, although I am pretty tired. I've got to be missing something. What could it be? Yes, it's in the sold out column. It's the release date. It's the Oh, this is not edition size. In Step 10, it tells us that we have two types of release dates. Step 10, canvases released after and released before. That's my criteria range. I did that wrong. So I have all the other fields correct. Last art type, release date. Release date. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to clear my advanced filter. You guys are going to do this right. I'm going to go back to be active within my database. I'm going to try it again. My advanced filter, my database is correct. My criteria range is correct. Filter in place. Click OK. There we go. So I have some records filtered out. I can see that because I jumped from row 14 to 76. So I have only a select amount of records that meet all of those criteria. If you have any trouble when creating the advanced filter, feel free to email me.